Have you ever had one of those moments where you stop, look around, and go, wait a minute, what even is all this? Like, how do I know this chair is real? Or that I'm not secretly in a dream? Or that my cat isn't controlling me with telepathy? Yeah, same. So let's dive into one of the weirdest questions ever. What even is reality? Spoiler. It's more complicated than stuff you can poke. Okay, let's start simple. Most of us think reality is everything we can see, hear, touch, and smell. Your phone? Real. Pizza? Definitely real. Mondays? Sadly, very real. But here's the thing. You don't actually experience the world directly. Your brain does. When you touch something, your nerves send a signal to your brain. When you see something, your eyes send light data to your brain. Basically, your brain is sitting in a dark skull, getting constant messages like, yo, red circle over here, warning, sharp corner ahead. Smells like toast. Your brain then builds a mental version of the world, kind of like a video game. You're not seeing reality, you're seeing your brain's best guess at it. So, if all you ever experience is your brain's interpretation, how do you know what's actually real? Let's throw in a brain breaker. Dreams. In dreams, everything feels real until you wake up. You can walk, talk, cry, even fall off a cliff and land in your grandma's kitchen. It all makes sense in the dream. But when you wake up, you go, whoa, that was fake. So, how do you know this right now isn't just another dream you haven't woken up from? Don't panic, just breathe. Maybe pinch yourself. Unless dream you is into pain, then maybe don't. Here's another twist. Your brain can be tricked. Optical illusions, virtual reality, déjà vu. These things prove your senses can be fooled. Ever put on a VR headset and freaked out when a fake zombie jumped at you? Yeah, that's your brain reacting to a world that isn't even there. So if your senses can't always be trusted, what do we trust? Math? Science? Logic? Sure, those help us describe reality. But even they hit a wall sometimes. Like in quantum physics, particles can be in two places at once, or change behavior just because they're being watched, which basically means reality is shy. Now let's get really weird. Some scientists think we might be living in a simulation. Yup, like the Matrix. The idea is, what if a super advanced civilization built a super realistic computer simulation, and we're just characters inside it? Sounds nuts. But we build simulations all the time. Video games, AI, virtual worlds. So, what if someone just did it on a bigger scale? Are we real people, or just really smart pixels? Too early to say. But if this is a simulation, whoever programmed it really went all in on toe stubbing and awkward silences. So next time you're lying in bed staring at the ceiling, wondering if anything is real, just remember, even if this is all a dream, at least it's a weird and interesting one. And if none of it makes sense, that's okay. You're not alone. You, me, and every other confused stick figure out there, we're all just trying to figure it out, one slightly glitchy day at a time. Want to go even deeper down the rabbit hole? Stick around. Reality's just getting started.